This is to Grandma Sadie.
Who's that?
Nobody goes right up my look that. Oh, look. A handmade birthday card.
Sadie. Her.
Happy birthday, love, Savannah. Thank you, Savannah. Oh, thank you.
On the front it says Savannah and your daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that hurts.
Savannah and Joy.
Don't sound like a cloud coming up.
Ow, Sadie.
A little rumbly.
Rumble.
Somebody gave me some of these for Christmas. They're striped, and I've got worn out already.
They work so good.
Oh, yeah, I usually have them all around here.
I even wear them working outside when it's so cold. You know, just
That's
regular
for Mama
socks.
and the other one's for me.
Oh, who said that? Savannah.
I'm going to wear these tomorrow. Happy birthday socks. Isn't that cool?
Oh, they were so cute.
The socks are for Mother. They really are, and they're for
Oh, you
me.
don't want to get away in the socks? You don't want to play with them?
Ooh, looks like we got something that smells good. Some home materials.
Make for me.
It'll be easy.
Smells good.
Mama got you two things, and I got two things.
I like that Thomas Kincaid print.
She puts her in that label for all.
Saucy John.
Smells like vanilla, I believe. Let's see. I think it's vanilla. Thank you.
When I was putting Sadie's tail, she was like this. She was like this. Scared.
Grandmas are mommies with lots of frosting. They're pretty.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm guessing that's a usable plate. Like a snack plate.
Ow, Sadie.
I don't know if it is or
Sadie,
I thought somebody sit around and look at it.
jeans.
I guess.
That depends on what kind of paint they put on it.
Easy.
Probably not dishwasher proof. Dishwasher safe.
No, sometimes they'll say on there, okay, for you. I didn't know where you got that. I thought it was cute.